On the full moon day of the 12th lunar month, Thailand celebrates the festival of Loi Krathong. Many people go out to float their krathong down a river or pond to pay their respects to the Lord Buddha and the goddess of water. Loi means float and krathong refers to the vessel decorated with flowers, candles and incense sticks. The floating candles and flower pieces offer a stunning view and we were so happy to be a part of it. The atmosphere in the city was really nice and all the temples were beautifully decorated. The day before the festival, the festivities were already ongoing at the Three Kings Monument Square. There was a performance and the entire square was full of candles around the 12 animals of the Thai zodiac. Many temples were open to visit, all beautifully decorated with colorful lanterns. We made a quick stop in between at a very cute dessert spot, and you can make your own dessert here with pandan, jelly, cornflakes and ice cream. The decor of the cafe is really cool. You can tell that the owner is very creative.
Carrot, sweet potato, sweet pumpkin, coconut jelly.
Is that pandan?
Yeah, pandan jelly.
Okay.
Sweet corn, Thai melon, red bean, anything. Cereal.
Afterwards, we visited Wat Pantao temple. And it was really nice because one of the monks there gave us coins that you are supposed to distribute among the bronze bowls. Coin dropping creates a ringing sound that is said to bring good luck. It was also very calming to do because it is so repetitive.
One per time. There we go. All these.
On the day of Loi Krathong, Julian had a really nice lunch at Tana Ocha Noodle, also listed on the Peak Gourmet list.
Thick noodle. And radish sauce. And I see a meatball. Looks amazing.
We took a songthao, if I pronounce this correct, into town and stopped at a spot where you could make your own krathong.
We're in a red frog.
It is made out of the stem of a banana tree and the stem floats, and then you use banana leaves and flowers to decorate. This was a lot of fun to do and it's actually pretty hard to make it look neat, but luckily we got a lot of help from the very friendly vendors.
Oh. Quick that.
Oh yeah, like an airplane. Oh, this color. Okay. Yeah.
What? Done? You think it's good?
Okay.
I think it's good.
Als jij dat vindt.
Precies. Ah, 3, right?
Yes.
Lucky number. Yeah.
So we made our own floating flower thingy.
I tested mine, it's floating, it can float.
It can float.
It floats. So
Look how pretty.
you have to light it, put it in the river and pray for a healthy, as he says, pray for a healthy family and lucky.
And lucky. Loi Krathong Festival is celebrated at different places across Chiang Mai, and we decided to go to Ping River. There's a huge night market there, and we found a really nice spot along the river. We enjoyed some great food and beers while we waited for the dark to settle in. We have a table for ourselves, and we're gonna wait until it gets dark, and then we're gonna let our krathong in the water.
Kratons are already being released on the side.
Yeah.
They say this is just the beginning. Look at the end.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, you can
Fried needle mushrooms.
Then we released our krathong, made some wishes, and ran after the krathongs to see how far they would make it. A lot of them drown because there's a lot going on, so they get stuck.
Let's release it. Yeah. Good health for family.
We had a really great time, and we hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one.